Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture onwards we are going to learn about building a Listview application. So this entire section is going to consist of building a simple Listview application. So in this lecture we will understand what a Listview actually is and how items could be added to a Listview, and how when we click on one particular item on a Listview we can switch to another activity. So if you don't understand what Listview is, let's go ahead and learn it one by one. So this is what a list view actually looks like. So this is a brief overview of the application which we are going to be building in this section. So if you could notice on the extreme left, this is what our application is going to look like. So it's going to have three activities as shown on the screen. So there is going to be the main activity which we have in the first part, which is going to contain three items in the list. So the items are eat, drink and other. So when we click on the eat option, what is going to happen is that we will be redirected to a new activity which is also going to be a list activity, which is called as the food category activity. Now the food category activity is going to have three items again, that is pizza, burger and a sandwich. And when we click on either of these options, like let's assume you click on the pizza option, so what's going to happen is that it's going to redirect you to a new activity which is going to be the food activity, and the food activity is going to show us an image of that particular food item. So in case if you click pizza, it's going to show you the image of the pizza. It's going to show you the item name along with the description of that particular item. Now let's assume that if you clicked on burger, so in that case what's going to happen is that it's going to show you an image of a burger. It's going to show you the name as burger and the description of that particular food item, which is burger. So this was a brief overview of the Listview application which we are building over here. So in this section we are going to learn a few things. The first thing is that we are going to learn what is a list view, how to create a list view, how to populate a list view by using arrays, how to populate list view by using Java classes, how to add click listeners to the list view. We are also going to learn about array adapters. We are also going to learn how to switch from one activity to other activity while passing data, so that the contents of the next activity are dependent upon the list view option which we select previously. So if this sounds confusing, then make sure to follow along in the next lecture where we will be building the first activity, which is the main activity as shown in this slide. So from the next lecture onwards, we will start building this app. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.